Welcome! If you're looking to stay updated with the latest pins, messages, and activity on Pinterest, enabling push notifications is the way to go. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on push notifications for Pinterest permissions, so you never miss out on what inspires you. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. You'll find this at the top of your screen. Just give it a tap. Now that you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture again at the very top and tap it. This will open up your profile settings and options. Next, find and tap on the notification option. This section is where you control all your Pinterest alerts, so you can customize what you want to hear about. Scroll down until you see the permissions section. This is where you can manage how Pinterest communicates with you. Once you're in the permissions area, look for the option labeled Push. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. If the switch is off, simply tap it to turn it on. This enables push notifications, allowing Pinterest to send you real-time updates directly to your device. And that's it. You've successfully enabled push notifications for Pinterest permissions. Now, whenever there's a new activity, message, or update, you'll be notified instantly, keeping you connected and inspired. If you ever want to adjust your notifications in the future, just follow these same steps. Customizing your Pinterest experience is easy and helps you stay in control of what you see and when you see it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips and social media tutorials. Stay inspired and happy pinning.